Hi everyone, my name is Amanda Massey and welcome to my YouTube channel, Massey Styles. Today, I want to help you get out of your style ruts. I'm going to walk you through a couple steps that can help you refresh your wardrobe and understand and create your signature style. And then for the skincare portion of the video, I'm going to do a product review of the vitamin supplement Arrae. But as always, as we start out with every single video here at Massey Styles, let's talk about my outfit of the day. I am wearing these amazing platforms by Aquazzara. Platforms really are the new heels. They're comfortable, they're current, I love them. These pants I love just as much. They are by Dolce & Gabbana and they're just very light, very airy. They're perfect for summer. Then I paired the pants with this cute little crochet crop top that I purchased on ASOS. And then I have an oversized denim shirt that I'm wearing as a jacket. I think I got this shirt like at the Gap, just something really simple. And then I accessorized the outfit with lots of gold accented jewelry. And that is my outfit of the day for summer. Now let's just get right into it. Let's talk about getting out of a style rut, because really nothing is worse than looking at your closet and being like, ugh, I have nothing to wear. I'm so bored with my style. So here are a few ways that you can get out of this style rut. The first thing you want to do is do your research. Go on Instagram, go on Pinterest. You want to gather images and create a mood board. This mood board is going to help you identify why you like a certain style and help you find words to describe what your personality is via style. So you really want to take your time with creating your mood board, because it's the first step, it's the most important step, and if you do the first step wrong, everything else is going to be kind of a waste of time. So really take your time, edit through these images, and look at these images underneath a microscope. Really ask yourself, why do I like this? How did they put this outfit together? Now, once you have your finalized mood board of images that you love and that are also clear, you don't want the mood board to be too overwhelming or too empty. You want to have something a little bit in the middle, but you want it to clearly communicate the style direction that you're in so that you have a roadmap moving forward. So once you have the mood board completely finished, you want to pinpoint 3 to 5 words that describe your mood board. Is it rock? Is it vintage? Is it bohemian? Is it preppy? So write those words down in like one of the corners of your mood board so that you have another anchor into what your signature style is to get out of your style rut. Now you want to print out this mood board and put it in your closet, because the second step is going through your closet, reorganizing it, set aside things to donate, and then you're gonna put together outfits with the clothing you already have hanging in your closet. By doing this, you will learn the inventory that you have and also learn about the inventory that you don't have. So you're gonna create a shopping list. And this shopping list, you're gonna stick to. You are not gonna veer from the course. You're gonna have very specific items on this list, like light wash denim, 2 pair. Dark wash denim, 1 pair. 1 baby blue blouse. So that when you're shopping online or in the store, you're staying on course and you're not getting distracted, because we wanna shop smart. We don't wanna have a wardrobe that's just packed to the brim, completely overwhelming, because when you go into your closet, you wanna have clarity. You wanna be able to see everything and digest everything visually and not feel like you're just overwhelmed with inventory. So you've done your shopping, you have everything that you need, you're in your closet, you have your mood board printed out and put up in your closet. Now it's time to put the outfits together. So you wanna refer back to your mood board and you wanna pinpoint how that person styled the outfit. It makes a really big difference between wearing an outfit and styling an outfit. And the easiest way to explain it is just by showing you. So let me show you. Do you see what I mean? Look at It's just kind of boring. Obviously the pants are like really, really long. So adding the accessories, having the platforms like makes this outfit so much more interesting. Ugh, I really am not loving this. So let's go back to how I was looking before. Do you see what a difference that is? Like, first of all, now my pant length is appropriate. I have accessories, I have a little bling. It just really elevates the outfit. And don't forget your purse. The purse is like another accessory. And so I love to do floral and animal prints, and I really love the combination of the two. So this is a complete look, and when you strip them down of all these elements, I mean, the outfit's nice, right? Don't get me wrong, the outfit's nice, but it's not styled. Another thing that you wanna do is you wanna update your accessories. Very similarly to how clothes have a trend cycle, accessories do as well. So make sure you have cleaned out your accessories and updated them. Right now, currently, more delicate accessories are in style as opposed to big statement jewelry. Just a little fact to share with you. Now, the next step is you want to set styling challenges for yourself. This really helps you stay true to what your path of signature style discovery is. You want to say to yourself, hey, I'm not going to wear black for an entire week, or I'm going to wear sweatpants to dinner. I mean, that's a little extreme. But the point is you want to set a challenge for yourself, and you want to make sure that you're executing your signature style and not getting stuck in your style rut after doing all of this work. So set up a style challenge, keep it. You'll really thank yourself, and it's a really great exercise to put together outfits you normally wouldn't put together. And the last and final step is plan your outfits in advance. The mornings I find are really rushed. Like, I oversleep my alarm, or my dog decides to be bad, or the phone rings. I mean, there's so many different things in the morning that can interrupt your morning routine, and then you're rushing out the door and you're in your closet and you're like, oh my gosh, what am I gonna wear? And then you don't really put a lot of time into your outfit because you gotta go, you gotta leave, you don't have time. So when you plan your outfits the night before, you're in a more calm space, that extra 10 minutes to put together the outfit really makes a difference so that your morning is nice and easy and you walk out of the door feeling really confident. So I'm going to summarize these steps in the description of this video because I know it's a lot of information, but the main key points to remember is put together a mood board, clean out your closet, make a very focused shopping list, update your accessories, put together a style challenge for yourself, and pre-plan your outfits in advance. If you do this, this will help you get out of a style rut. So definitely try it. I'm excited that I got to share this information with you. Now let's move on to skincare. My Instagram has been showing me nothing but this vitamin supplement called Arrae. Arrae is essentially a holistic way to address a lot of digestive issues. And there's one pill that's the most popular that they sell that is for bloating. And it also claims to help with water retention and decreasing the puffiness in your face. So one of my struggles with my skincare is I have a lymphatic pocket that I'm constantly pushing the excess fluid out of. So when I saw the claim that it reduces facial puffiness, I definitely had to give this pill a try. And I did, and I want to talk to you about a few things that I liked and a few things that I didn't like. So let's talk about the ingredients that are in this supplement. The main ingredient is ginger, and then there's a proprietary blend of lemon balm, dandelion, and peppermint. There's also bromelain and slippery elm bark. That's a new one for me, haven't heard of that one. So ginger. Ginger has been around forever. It's well known that it helps with digestive issues, with calming your stomach. So it obviously makes sense that ginger would be in this capsule. The only thing that I don't love is that the milligrams to me are a little bit low. It's about 220 milligrams. I would like to see ginger more at 500 milligrams, but regardless, ginger is the #1 ingredient that's listed in this pill, and that means it's used the most. For any beauty or health products, when you look at the back and they list the ingredients, they have to list them by law from what's used the most to what's used the least. So this pill, ginger's #1, that's the #1 ingredient. Then we have another section and it says proprietary blend. That's fine, I get it. You don't want to reveal your secret recipe to people, but I would like to know how many milligrams of dandelion, lemon balm, and peppermint are used in this blend. Now they do list about 1,000 milligrams altogether. So we'll just do some simple math here and divide that by 3 and say that at most, this is the amount of milligrams per ingredient. But then again, like, we don't know. Like, maybe the dandelion is more, or maybe the lemon balm is less. I mean, whatever it is. But these 3 ingredients, dandelion, lemon balm, and peppermint, again, this isn't new news that it helps with digestive issues. In previous episodes, I've talked about this really great book that I absolutely love called The Herbal Book of Remedies. And you know, bloating is nothing new. Women go through it all the time. So when I feel a little bit bloated, I went to that book and I flipped to the section that addresses what herbs will help with bloating. And the number 1 thing was dandelion, lemon balm, and then it was peppermint. But finding these herbs are not very easy. Like, I live in Los Angeles. You would think there's like a million herbal stores everywhere, and there are, but they're like the fun herbal stores that make you want to just eat and watch TV for a couple days. Now, the real herbal stores that are gonna like help you health-wise are really hard to find. They're either a million miles away, or they're not what they say that they are, or they're too expensive. I ran across a herbal store in the Valley in Encino called Earth and Soul. I also did a segment on this business as well because I'm so in love with this store. I walked in and it's like filled, the walls are filled, the counters are filled with just jars of herbs. And I was just like, oh my gosh, this is exactly what I want. So I got the dandelion, lemon balm, and peppermint, and I made a tea out of it. So taking this pill is so much easier than going to the Valley, getting the herbs, making the tea, letting it seep, all the things. You just boop, pop a pill, call it a day. So that's wonderful that they combine all of these ingredients. Now, moving on to bromelain. Bromelain is an enzyme that's found in pineapple, and it helps you break down dense proteins. Think about the food pairings. Think about how they put pineapple with ham. You see kind of the synergy there? Ham is a really dense protein, and so the pineapple helps your digestive tract break that up. And so that's what bromelain does. I also want to just slide this little bit of knowledge in there for you, is that if you want like an instant kill the bloat type of feel, you want to make a smoothie that has pineapple and papaya in it and just water. Super boring, super simple, but really, really effective. But I do want to air to caution that some people out there may have an allergy to pineapple. So don't go crazy on the pineapple, because the side effects of an allergic reaction are like, they're pretty intense. But use an entire papaya. Both of those fruits have very high bromelain enzymes, so it really helps to break down what's in your digestive tract and to relieve bloating. Now, let's get back on track. After bromelain, the last thing that is listed is slippery elm bark. I've never heard of this before, so I had to do my research on it. Essentially, it's a very mild laxative. That's all it is, which is, again, helping you push things through the digestive tract. Now, Arrae is claiming that in 1 hour, you will see a difference in your body. Essentially, you'll look less bloated than you did an hour ago. They state that 86% of their customers experienced a positive change in taking this pill, and that 74% saw a decrease in IBS symptoms. I've tried it. I've tried it for about 3 weeks now, and I have to say that I did see a difference in my stomach in terms of bloating, everything else not so much. My face, still a little puffy. I wish it worked a little bit more on the areas that I need, which is like underneath my eye. But the most important thing that I found using this pill is that I felt better. Sometimes when you're bloated, you just feel like, you just feel like a whale, you feel like a puffer fish, like it's just like nothing is really comfortable. So I did feel more comfortable after taking this pill. I like it overall. I'm not saying yes, I'm not saying no, I'm saying really evaluate it for yourself. After listing all these ingredients, what I want to point out are the things that I like. I like that it's a one-stop shop. because prior to this pill, I truly was sourcing these ingredients individually and making a tea out of it, which is a hassle. It's inconvenient and it's time consuming. So it's nice to have a one-stop shop type of pill. However, the instructions say that they want you to take it every day. I don't really agree with that. If you are not experiencing severe indigestion, something that you've dealt with for a long time, it's constant, it's consistent. If you have sporadic digestive issues, then you don't need to take it every day. And also too, you don't want your body to stop doing what it does naturally. If you're giving these supplements to yourself every single day, your body's gonna like start to chill out on producing things naturally. So for Arrae, I think maybe it's better to take it twice a week or after a heavy meal. So you're introducing it to your system so it works quicker because your system is used to it. However, your system isn't becoming reliant on it so that if you stop taking it, your system's kind of out of whack. Now, if you do have severe indigestion, severe digestion, you need to go see a specialist. You need to get on something that is stronger. I'm not saying a holistic approach is not correct, but you do need to see a specialist. Arrae is not for severe problems, it's for temporary problems. The other thing that I'm not like too stoked about with this pill is the concealment of the milligrams that are in the proprietary blend. I get it, again, you don't want to give the recipe away, but it's important to know how many milligrams are in each ingredient. The other thing that I'm not super stoked about is the fact that they don't show their clinical trials. They show like hot facts about their clinical trial from a third party, but you don't get to see the study. And I want to see how they conducted the study. But that should be me being like nitpicky at the end of the day. That's just kind of how my mind is. I really want to see the study and I couldn't see the study, but that doesn't mean the pill doesn't work. I do like it. I think that it works for someone that has sporadic indigestion, that wants to relieve temporary bloating, and it's a great one-stop shop so that you don't have to source these ingredients individually and create a tea. So wanted to share Arrae with you. Check it out for yourself on their website. I'll put the link in the description of the video. I hope you enjoyed learning how to get out of your style rut and learned a little bit about this supplement called Arrae. Thank you so much for tuning in, and I will see you next time.